Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to program a GMC Yukon key fob. First, gather all existing key fobs you want to use, including any new ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is in good condition to avoid interruptions. You'll need to find the programming button inside your Yukon, which is usually a small, red button. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the initial steps. To begin, sit inside your GMC Yukon with all doors closed. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now, locate the programming button, typically found under the dashboard or in the glove compartment. Press and hold this button down. You should hear a single chime from your vehicle, indicating it has entered programming mode. This chime confirms you are ready for the next step. Once you hear the chime, release the programming button. Take your first key fob and press any button on it, such as the lock or unlock button. The vehicle will chime again, confirming that this specific key fob has been successfully programmed. Immediately repeat this action for every other key fob you wish to program, one by one. Each successful programming will be acknowledged with a chime. Do not delay between fobs. After programming all your key fobs, turn the ignition key to the off position and remove it. This action exits the programming mode. Now, step out of the vehicle and test each key fob to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking doors, work correctly. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the entire process. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Sometimes, a low car battery can interfere, so ensure it's fully charged before attempting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.